Hey guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the song Rumble by Wray. It's a really very popular song. Well, I didn't know it was popular, but I knew it. But I had no clue from where, but I knew it. And it's from the surf guitar area. Is one of the 7 iconic surf songs. And it's really simple to play. For those who don't know it, and so on. I must admit, I think the guy just started playing guitar when he composed this song, because these are the chords which you normally know when you start guitar and the way it's played, you know. But don't get angry with me. It's just funny to see that, isn't it? You know, I mean, I'm for sure going to get a copyright strike for this, even I'm playing basic chords, you know. Anyhow, this is how it is. This is the song. We're going to check it out. But the first thing we need to know is how do we create the surf sound. Dr. Pink is not totally perfect for that, because you need single coils for that. And as you can see, Dr. Pink doesn't have single coils. But beside that, you select a clean. I've selected Vibrolux amp here, Fender Vibrolux, on a very clean setting, and 2x12 cabinet, and a lot of spring reverb. Do you hear this? That's really a known fact. And also for the second part of the song, there's also a tremolo effect. It could be a rotary, or in this case it's a tremolo or panner effect. I think he has it even as a faster rotary or tremolo rate, but you can select that. But you can do with or without that effect. And so how is the whole song played? Let's get started. Yo guys, as I already said, it's really simple. It's the basic chords when you start playing guitar. We have a D5 here in the 3rd fret, B string, 2nd fret, G string, and we play the middle 4 strings. And we have the E, the normal E, here, 2nd fret, 2nd, 1st fret. We have the normal A, and I recommend using the bar here. Here, open A string, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 2nd bar here, and the B7, probably the only song which I know which uses this chord. As I said, you play that chord when you start playing guitar. Yeah, B7, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret, open B string, and pinky in the 2nd fret. So now the rhythm is really simple. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Always on 3, 4, you make the D5. And then you go first to E. Again to E. And then you go to A. And then back to E. And then to B. And when you play the B, this is also an indication that the guy just started guitar. You first play the bass, and then you play the chord. So let's do that. I have a drum track here which is quite similar to the original, but not totally, so forgive me that. So let's see how the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. D, A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Back to E. To E. Now we're going to B7. First bass, 3, 4, 1, 2. And now this ending is a little bit tricky. As I said, I think the guy just, when he wrote the song, just started guitar. He made a 6/4 bar, and it's like this. We come from a 1, 2, 1, 1. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And now we're playing the E minor pentatonics in the low position. Just here 3 0 3 0 2 0 2 0 2 0 3. Hold it here shortly and then to the 0 in triplets. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. You can count and hold this for 2 of the triplets. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and then you hold it for two clicks. And then you start again from the beginning. And this makes you a 6/4 bar, which is probably was not intended, but it's how it is. And maybe that makes the special thing of this song, because we have a 6/4 bar here. So let's play the whole thing now. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then the whole thing starts from the beginning. Okay? So that's the first part. Play twice. Now comes the really hard part of it, and I must admit, I cannot play it properly because I never used this technique. I selected, but if you've never done this before, if you select this as a really soft pick here, normally I play really hard picks, but for this case, it's not really cool. It's really soft pick, and now you go up here. You're making an A chord here, 13, 12, 12, so this is an A chord, and you play 32 notes, meaning 8 notes per beat, so, and you just like together with the beat, and that for 4 bars. I'll show you. 2, 3, 4. And these 4 bars represent the first 4 bars of the original theme, where you go from... You heard I didn't play it so properly. You really need to practice this. And I never play these soft picks, it's just for really rare occasions like now. I mean, yeah. The thing is just get the speed. And that which makes the song pretty hard, at least for me, because I never use this technique. 4 bars, and then you continue with, you go to A, back to E, and then comes the ending. And then, and so on. And in the last part, then he switches on the tremolo effect. I'm going to switch it on now. But he plays the whole thing again. No, but now just with the tremolo effect. But I think he has double as fast as here. Let me quickly do that. That's pretty easy to do. That is now set on the quarter note. I'm going to set it now on the 8th note. Yep, that sounds more original. Okay, so now same thing again, now with this effect. I think it could be even be the 16 note. Let me quickly try this. This was set on the 8 note, I go on 60 note. It's set on the 60 note. Yeah, that's it. So it's a tremolo effect set on 88 BPM, the 16 note. That's how it should be. But the playing is basically the same. Yeah, guys, that was a rumble by Wray. Wray with a W, Wray. I love the song. I mean, even it's, as I said, I think the guy just started guitar when he composed this song, but it doesn't mean it's a bad song. It's really an iconic song, one of the 7 big surf guitar songs, and I love it. But it's really simple to play. The sound settings are tricky if you have any occasion with to create this sound. As I said, I have a professional amp modeling device here where I can search for the amp which I exactly want and the cabinet which I want. But original, of course, it would be kind of a Fender amp, clean Fender amp with a tremolo effect. Yo. One more to say, if you want to download that backing track plus the tabs, I didn't print them out now, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there, make a premium member upgrade to download the stuff, or also join with a free member account to just be part of our guitar community there. Get the newsletter and all that stuff and free downloads and all, you know, cool stuff. So, me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye.